it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you and that girl walking around. Ooh, I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me, child. No. Ooh, so you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free, no. Ooh, I was just sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace, yeah. To the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby. Reveal these tears that are on my face. Woo! And baby, I let me blind, boy. Then I see you walk away from me now. And baby,